And this, where the shade is probably where the first time I went on stage. It was Hi everyone, so today we are at the beautiful Springleaf Nature Park. I like greeneries, and here you get lots of trees, greens, flowers, coming water, and I'm not sure if you can hear in the background, but there are occasional sound made by birds, insects, and other animals. If you're going to pass by the vicinity, just come and check this out for yourself and let me know what you think. Hey guys, you see the little shed at the back behind me and where the car park is? In the early 70s, probably 71, 72, this place used to be where old community center is. This, where the shed is probably where the first time I went on stage. It was my kindergarten graduation ceremony, and as a 6-year-old boy, I still remember vividly how the teachers were helping us put on makeup one by one and preparing us to go on stage to receive our certificate. Unfortunately, I no longer have photographs of it. I can't share with you, but as you can see, the reason I'm sharing it with you today is that other than a beautiful place, now the Springleaf Nature Park that I like to visit, this place has a lot of memories, fond memories. Okay, so now I'm going to take you on a short drive and show you what's in the area surrounding this Springleaf Nature Park. So let's go. So as we drive out of the park, you will notice quite a bit of construction work going on right now, and that's really for the upcoming MRT station called the Springleaf MRT station, which we are driving up to right now. I'm going to turn into this small road here so you will know that there is actually a row of shop houses and a lot of eateries. You see Ang Pang Yong Tau Hu, the kway chap is nice as well. There's a convenience store, 7-Eleven here. And you see the new station that is expected to be in operation Q3 of this year. Okay, if you know the Geylang Lorong 9 beef noodle, they have an outlet here as well. So if you're staying around this area, you do get quite a bit of food choices. Right here on the left, on our left behind this station building is actually a 24 hours Hans, and you also get the Springleaf Prata place. Now we are turning into this estate which I mentioned called the Springleaf housing estate, made up of primarily, well, I should say all semi-detached houses. As we drive along, you will notice that there are some that are newer and more modern looking. These are units where people have purchased and redeveloped and rebuilt, while others are, some of them are still in the original condition. There are very few areas in Singapore where you get this kind of quiet, serene, green style of living. We are now driving over a bridge on a road called the Old Nisun Road. The water on the left is actually part of the Springleaf Nature Park. where we came from. Oh, it's starting to drizzle, but never mind, let's continue. Okay, coming up front, if you look at to the right is a freehold apartment called the Hong Heng Mansion. There are a number of shops. The level 1 as well is a wine drinking place, a couple of restaurants, laundry. Oh, and Parasilk. Parasilk has an outlet here. That's where you can get your electronic appliances and stuff like that. Okay, we're at the junction. If you were to turn right, we'll go into Mandai Road, and that will lead you to the zoo. Okay, here on our left is yet more. There's a coffee shop and some other massage shops. There's a car dealer here. Okay, to our left here is the Hong Heng Garden. Okay, you will see a couple more condos on the left. Okay, that's the show flat for the Essence that is expected to be ready later this year. Okay, we're at the traffic light, so I'm gonna show you. Oops. Okay, I can't show you, but okay, I will show you on this side. Okay, the condo on the right is called the Brook. Brook 1 and Brook 2 is a freehold condo, comprises of 60 over units. And then to our left, which you can't see at this time, but never mind, I'm going to turn in and just give you a quick peek, are two other condos. A newer one called the Roots, and another one that is the biggest condo in this area, 128 units altogether, called the Forest Hill Condo. It's a very nice resort style serene condo. If you like that kind of living, you can consider it. Okay, we drove past the Roots. We are now at the entrance of Forest Hills condo. Just gonna make an about turn here. Yeah, look at Forest Hill, you probably can get a sense of how is it to be living in here. You want to find out more, let me know. Okay, we are entering another landed housing estate, slightly newer than the Springleaf estate, called the Springside estate. Here you have a few hundred more terrace houses. This estate is quite interesting, where especially during the Chinese New Year festive season, you will actually see the resident putting up a lot of nice decoration. They even put up a huge Tyson Ye last year. I don't know what will be out this year, but I'll be sure to show you when I see anything. So again, it's a very quiet environment to live in. You see right up here, these are the newer units in this estate, and slightly more modern looking. Okay, we are right at the end, so I'm gonna make a quick U-turn and bring you out where we came from. Oops, got lost. It's not supposed to happen. I got lost. Okay, this is where we get out of the Springside housing estate. There's actually a My Champ childcare center here on the left. Another look at the area. The Springleaf MRT station that is coming up. Once this is up, it's going to be very convenient for the residents that are staying in this area. They can get to Thomson Plaza in about 4th station, and they can get to Woodlands Regional Center in also about 3 stations. If you drive, it's pretty easy to get onto the expressway. If you go slightly ahead and turn left, you get onto the SLE and Hit City pretty fast, and also TPE. That will take you towards town and towards the airport. And then if you were to turn right, you would then go towards Jurong. All right, so thank you everyone for joining me. This is the very first of my driving tour around neighborhoods that I like to share with you. I hope you enjoy it. If you are staying in this area, you may see me from time to time. Don't be a stranger, come out and say hello. If you like what you see and would like to find out more about this area, how is it like to be staying here, do give me a call as well. Thanks again, and do give me your comments and like and share. I would really appreciate it very much. So until the next time, thank you and bye.